Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect GameSir G7 SE to Mac. Want to use your GameSir G7 SE controller on your Mac? Here's the simple step-by-step guide. First, take a USB cable that comes with your GameSir or GameSir G7 SE. The controller connects to the Mac using a cable. After that, connect one end to the cable to the controller, then pull the other end into your Mac USB port. This controller should power your automatically. Once your Mac, click on Apple menu and open System Setting. After that, go to the Control Setting or Bluetooth and Devices. You should see your control listed. After that, press button on your move the joystick. If the input shows on your screen, your controller is working properly. Now open a game that supports controller like a game from Steam or Apple Arcade. The GameSir controller should work automatically. If the controller isn't detected, try a different USB port or a different cable, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.